How to get local channels on Hulu Live. In this video, I'm going to provide you additional information as to how you can get local channels out of your Hulu Live TV bundle. Now, first things first that you have to take note for is to make sure that you have the correct bundle included on your Hulu pack. So say, for example, you only have for example, this one is the Disney Plus Hulu bundle. Now, local channels will not be available because it is not included in the pack. So you just need to make sure that you have Hulu Live TV or Hulu Plus included in your package so that you will have or access with the local channels. You just need to head straight into your Hulu Live TV Plus account and then activate your local channels and it will start scanning. And that's it. That's how you get Hulu Live TV local channels.